Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace this Hyundai Grand i10 headlight assembly, how to replace all the bulbs inside this assembly. That also I will show you in the end of this video. So it's going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you remember to subscribe. So take a 10mm socket and there will be a bolt here on the headlight. Take that bolt out completely. Once you take that bolt out completely, come to the other end of the headlight and you will notice that there is a bolt here as well. Now take this bolt out completely as well. Once you take out this bolt, now comes the most difficult part, which is pulling out the headlight. So you will have to slightly pull the headlight on the upward direction like this, and once you pull it a little bit, the headlight will be unclipped from the clip lock. Here my headlight is out already. Then you will have to come on the back side of the headlight and you will notice that there are two plugs connected here. These two plugs you will have to disconnect now. Here I left one plug and here I left my second plug. Once you unplug both of these plugs, your headlight will come out easily like this. Your headlight is now completely separated from the car. Now before I show you how to replace all its bulbs, I will go on the other side and take out the headlight from this side as well. So similarly you will have to take a 10mm socket and take this top bolt out completely. Once you take that out, you will have to come on the other end of the headlight and you will have to take out the bolt which is there here. Once you take that out completely, wiggle the headlight and pull it slightly in the upward direction so that it comes out of the grooves. Once it comes out, come at the back side of the headlight and unplug these two plugs. Once you unplug the two plugs, your headlight is now totally separated from the car. Now we will replace the bulbs of this headlight assembly. So to replace the main headlight bulb, you will have to rotate this cover and open and take it out completely like this. Once you open the cover, like always there will be a metal lock which you will have to press and push it on one side and pull it on top, and your bulb will be released. Now you can take the bulb out and replace it if you want to. Now to take out this bulb, you will have to simply pull it out and get a new one and push it inside. But before I put it back, I will show you this parking light bulb or daytime running light bulb, this small bulb which is there inside of the headlight assembly. I will show you how to replace this one now. Hold the bulb holder and pull it like this, and when you pull it, it will come out like this. Now the bulb also you will have to pull and it will come out easily like this. Now if your bulb is gone, then you can bring a new one and replace it. You just have to press it inside and your bulb is replaced. Then you will have to put the holder back in place. So this is how you replace this bulb. And to replace the headlight bulb, you will have to just push the new bulb inside like this. So one important tip here, see that you don't touch the glass of the bulb. If your thumb impressions come on the glass, your bulb will get spoiled very soon. Once you put the bulb in position, now put back the lock which you had taken out. You will have to put the rod under this extension. So here I will put the rod under this extension, and as you guys can see that I am successful in doing it. Now my bulb is locked. The next thing that you will have to do is put back the cover and rotate it and you are done. But that's still not it guys. You still have to replace the side light bulb. So now let's go to the side light bulb, and here also you will see that there is a cover. Rotate the cover and take it out, and inside you will see a holder. Now rotate this holder and take it out, and to replace this bulb you will have to push the bulb inside and rotate it and take it out. Put the new bulb in, push it inside and rotate it just like the home bulb. If there are thumb impressions on the bulb, see that you wipe them. Then put the holder back in place and turn it so that it gets locked. And lastly, the cover which you had taken out, put it back and rotate it and lock it. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.